Oh, Quasi, we're gonna draw me today!
Don't forget, if you like these drawing tutorials and want to do more, check out our teacher store. That's right, a bunch of lessons of how to draw comic books and other animals and all kinds of cool stuff. Check it out in the description. Down below is the link.
What's up? What's up, everybody, and welcome to another cartoon drawing tutorial. Today we are hitting the ocean current. We are going down under to the Octonauts show, and we're gonna draw Calico Jack, requested by you. That's right, you. Comment below. You tell us what to draw next. We have a lot of comments. We're gonna draw them all. Hopefully. But right now we're going to draw Calico Jack. Oh, Quasi, we're going to draw me today. Oh, I should have done that for the intro, huh? Well, we'll copy that and put it in the intro. All right, so let's get started. First of all, we need to get our 3Ps out. Our what? New merch! Give me some new merch, everybody. I love it. Yeah. 3Ps. All right, you guys, go grab yourself a shirt. All right, so now after you get your shirt and your 3Ps out, did I do this yet? Your paper, your pen, and your pencil. Hope you have an eraser as well. And now let's get started. We're going to turn our papers portrait or up and down. And let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start off real nice and easy here, and hopefully you can see this. I'm kind of going in a different way here. A nice big circle. We're going to start off with a circle. Nice and easy. All right, now we're going to do the artist secret that we do here on this show. If you don't know already, you're going to know now. We're going to do the magic T! The secret magic T. All right, and how is this going to be done? Well, here I'll show you. We're going to draw a T, basically, and we're not going to do it dead center. We're going to put the side of the T down just a little bit, just like that. And now we know where all the pieces of the face are going to go, and it's all going to line up perfectly, because that's why it's magic. All right, so let's keep going. Time out. Asher.
Yes, you are in frame. Okay.
Okay. All right. Time in. Edit that out, Asher. Edit that out. I mean it. All right. So now that we got our magic T, we're going to start off with the nose. And the first thing we're going to do, we might need to zoom in here real close on this part because it's real small. We're going to do a little baby rainbow, just like that. Then we're going to connect that rainbow with a letter V, just like that. See how everything connects on the magic T like that? All right, on the side of this nose, we're going to draw two big ovals. Nice big quasi ovals. All right. How come I can't do... Mine are not coming out even. They should be even. Two big ones. All right. Once you have your two big ones, we're going to do three little triangles. Hopefully we're still zoomed in here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Just like that. Then we're going to get rid of the ends like that. All right. Then once we have our nose and I guess this is mustache, right? We're going to use that. Poor editor. All right. Once we've got the mustache here, we're going to do the eyeballs. And so how we're going to do the eyeballs, we're going to go down to this magic T line that we did. Do a nice big rainbow just like that. And then we're going to connect it with a curvy line on the bottom, so a happy face. And then we're going to just draw a little circle just like that and then fill it in. All right, let's go to the other side. And we're going to draw a U shape, a giant U on this side. And then what we're going to do is we're going to, let's just do this. Let's do this and fill it in. All right? We're going to make his eye patch without the string yet. All right, now we're going to make the string. So what we're going to do is we're going to go on this side, and we're just going to shoot a slanty line up to the top of his head. We're going to go to this side and put a slanty line this way too. All right, we may need to do that. So if you have, make sure the slanty line is the top, becomes the top of the eye patch basically. So if you have anything that goes above the slanty line, just erase it. Okay, we're going to use that magic T line, go all the way straight up to the top. We're going to draw a large rainbow, or a letter upside down U, not me, U. All right, there we go. We got our, now it looks worse. We're going to go U right there. All right, we got our U. All right, once we have our U, yeah, let's go ahead. No, yes. What should we do? We're going to do the ears. Let's do the ears. All right. So we're going to do two big quasi ears. Calico Jack ears. Now we can do the ears. And the first ear is going to go right here, which is a triangle. We're going to go the other side and do another triangle right above the eye patch. Another triangle, just like that. My triangles don't look very much the same. We're going to do a baby triangle inside of this one, and a baby triangle inside this one. So we have two triangles like that. Then we're going to do a little rectangle that just cuts right into the side of his ear. All right, once we have that rainbow, we're going to drop from the hat down to the down to the ears, basically. Just like that. So we're going to do a slanty line, a curved line like a smile, another curved line like a smile, and then we're just going to draw it going straight down into his head like that. All right. We're going to erase all of this stuff that's in here. We have his big hat. Okay. Feels like there's something that needs to happen in here. Oh, yes. So once you have the hat, we're going to do just a small curvy line that goes down into his head, and then we'll get rid of all that. All right, let's get his body. let's get away from his face for a second. So we're going to go downwards into his body, and let's see what we're going to do here. We are going to make another big giant U shape. Except for we are going to, okay, so this is what we're going to do. We're going to do a curvy line like this, but do it really light, because we're going to get rid of it. Let's do it in a different color. Let's do it in a different color. All right. So do a curved line, like about that big. So we're going to draw a giant U. So pretend that's the bottom of the giant U. And there you go. So it's an upside down giant U, you can see. Then we're going to just connect it with a straight line. All right, using that magic T line, we're going to make a little baby V. Just like that. Underneath that V, we're going to make the shape a giant square shape. Inside that giant square shape that you have, we're going to draw another square. 2 squares. Then we're going to draw a rectangle or 2 lines going out of that square, just like that. So we have his little belt there. All right, over in the top, we're going to do a J or a curved line. We're going to do another one on that side. So whoop and whoop. All right, then we're going to go straight down. After this V, we're going to draw a line right next to it, just like that. And we're going to go straight down. We're going to do the same thing on the other side of the V. Straight down, just like that. Then we're going to add 2 triangles. 1, 2, 1, 2. We're going to erase what's underneath those triangles. Like that. Look how fast you guys are doing this. All right. Oh, we can get rid of this now. In fact, we could probably get rid of the magic T line altogether. No more magic T. Okay. Now we can go straight down. Let's go ahead and look at the bottom of this. And basically what we're going to do is we're going to draw a rectangle like that. We're going to come to this side and we're going to draw more of a square. It's a little bit shorter. Shorter rectangle. How about that? we're going to go shorter rectangle. Then we're going to draw a long rectangle right next to it. You know what we're drawing here. His peg leg. All right, on this side, we're going to draw. We're going to actually go right where the same place where this rectangle, this little rectangle that you went, we're going to go over here. And we're going to make, why don't we just actually make a box? We're going to make a box like that. Then we're going to make the line of the box a little bit longer and make 2 triangles coming out of it. Then we're going to erase. So we made like a fancy rectangle with triangle sides. Pretty cool. All right. Right underneath this, we're going to draw a big rainbow. Leave a little space between this rainbow and this thing. It's like it's going to suck up our rainbow. We're going to put a bottom on that rainbow, and then we're going to draw 2 straight lines going up from the rainbow up to this weird rectangle thing that we made. All right, on this side, we are just going to draw a very skinny rectangle. Make sure it ends at the same place where your rainbow down here ended. Then what we're going to do is we're just going to make a little squarish. It's more of a rectangle. A small rectangle at the very bottom. All right, we're almost done here. And yet the hardest part is still coming, which I'm saving for last. Let's do his hands. The way we're going to do his hands is we're going to draw a circle, just kind of hanging out over here. Okay? Out of the circle, we're going to draw a little rainbow that pops up like that. And then over here, from side to side, we're going to draw a big curved line. Okay? That might be a little bit too long. There we go. Okay. Then we can erase everything in between here. Okay? Then we're just going to draw a big letter C. And then from this corner of his head and his body, we're going to draw a slanted line going down to the C. If you have room here, some of you won't, but just draw another slanty line connecting it. Oh, right. There's his hand. One hand. We got to give him one more. So on his other hand, we're just going to go over here by his belt. We're going to draw another rectangle and a letter U shape, like that. And then from there, from the corner of his neck, I guess, a curved line that just goes straight down. All right. Now we pretty much got him here. We're going to get rid of this part here and this part here. Delete that editor. We're going to keep that in there. Now we're going to do his beard, which is, let's see, 4. Yeah, starting by his mustache, we're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just like that, going up each side. Then we're going to do 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And I think that's all he's got. Okay, he is done except for a couple of details in his hat. So we want to first draw a parallel line that goes all the way around following the path of his hat line, like that. And now we're going to do the hardest part. You guys ready? We're going to draw a emblem in here. And I don't know how we're going to do this. I'm going to have to we're going to draw small, people. We're going to draw real small. All right. So he's got, let's just do it this way. We're going to draw a nice big circle like that. And we're going to draw a giant letter X underneath there, like that. Okay. We're going to make this into a little cat head. So we're going to, first let's give him some ears. All right. Once you have the ears, we're going to fill in a little triangle in each ear. We are going to draw a slanty line from ear down to his head. We're going to draw a letter U in there, like that. Just a little oval, like that. A little dot like that. With, I should draw it bigger somewhere. When you have the nose, and then it's like 2 fish hooks coming out. That's what we did there. Okay, now what are we going to do here with his, to make his bones? Well, we're going to make these into 2 skinny rectangles. And we're going to get rid of the middle part, if you can. All right, once you have your 2 rectangles, we're going to do 2 big circles on each end. And then when you get rid of all the middle part, it looks like bones. Then you can fill this all in. All right, there you go. Calico Jack. Ahoy, matey. Where's my, is it a cousin? Cousin? Calico Jack. What is he? He's Quasi's what? Grandfather? Grandpappy? Pappy Cold Jack? I don't know. All right, you guys, ink these in. Color them up. We've got a Facebook page. If you want to draw Calico Jack, I'm sure yours is going to look a million times better. Look up some pictures of Calico Jack while you're drawing and when you're coloring them so you know all the pieces that are in there. So send in your artwork to us. We'll post it up here on YouTube. We'll post it on Facebook. Everyone wants to see your artwork because it's amazing. Keep on drawing. Comment below what you want us to draw next because we've got a list. We got a lot of things to draw, and we're going to work our way through that list, and it's going to be amazing. And thank you for your patience and hitting the 1,000 mark. You want to do a bull pick? Well, go get it. Get the bull. All right, let's go. Oh. All right, you ready? You ready to pick? What do we got? We got a kimono dragon from the Wildcrats, requested by Dino Freak 04. I love the name. All right, so kimono dragon. It's going in the list. I think we got a Wildcrats tiger we got to do too. So we got to do tiger, we got to do kimono dragon after that. Woo! We're going to do it all. All right, you guys. Hit that subscribe button, like the video, tell your friends, tell your neighbors, tell your teachers, and keep on drawing. The more you do, the better you'll get. Ahoy! Quasi! Come back here! What? You want to draw more? Well, we got more videos for you to watch. Check out any of these, and please share this with all your friends. Let's get more people drawing. The more you draw, the better you get. All right, see you at the next video. I cannot draw this guy's hat to save my life right now.